Welcome to the Asia FinTech Awards, celebrating Asia's best and brightest in financial technology. I'm Geeta Pensay and I'll be your host this evening. You'll hear from me again shortly, but for now, charge your glasses, take a seat and hold on tight. It's going to be a brilliant night. Thank you to our sponsors for supporting the Asia FinTech Awards 2021. And you can join in the conversation too on Twitter using the hashtag. The show is about to begin, so please take your seats wherever you are in the world. I'm Geeta Pensay and I'll be your host for this evening. Thank you to everyone who entered the awards earlier this year and to everyone watching at home. We're really excited to be able to bring you this online broadcast, which represents the best way right now to celebrate the wonderful innovation and rich talent of Asia's fintech sector. And it reflects the increasing need to remain agile and adaptable in rapidly changing circumstances. Now, before we get underway with the awards, let's hear now from Helen Lee. She's the chair of the Asia FinTech Awards judging panel this year, and she'd like to say a few words.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depends on which part of the world you're in. I'm Helene Lee. I'm the general manager of the Hong Kong FinTech Association, and I'm very honored to be on the judging panel and chairing the judging panel for the Asian FinTech Awards. Now, with COVID, while most people might have think that it's taken a gap year, so I called it, actually fintech activity have been really on the not sleeping at all. So if you look at it, there are $105 billion poured into over 2,800 deals in fintech all over the world. And Asia Pacific has been a particularly hot area for payments, WEALTHTECH, and Regtech in particular. The FinTech Awards really spans the whole taxonomy of FinTech, from Regtech to Insurtech, to payments, to cybersecurity. And that's why we have a very interesting and hotly contested areas in many of the FinTech categories. So I don't want to let the cat out of the bag, but there has been a lot of hard work behind the scenes by the organizers as well as the judging panel. So without further ado, I would like to kickstart the award ceremony tonight, and please enjoy.
Thank you again to Helen and the whole of the judging panel. Now, the global fintech sector proved its value last year as the pandemic forced businesses to close and so many of us to stay at home. This value was reflected in the overall funding attracted across M&A, private equity, and venture capital. $105 billion was invested across more than 2,800 deals last year, which was actually the third highest level of investment in fintech ever. Now, fintechs themselves also thrived over the past 12 months, demonstrating their relevance in a world that's becoming increasingly digital. One study carried out last year did show that most types reporting strong growth for the first half of 2020 compared to the same period in 2019. Now, on average, fintechs in areas such as digital asset exchanges, payments, savings, and wealth management reported growth in transaction numbers and volumes. These numbers tell us that fintechs and their myriad services and products are capable of supporting businesses and consumers, particularly when times are hard, as they have been. And their success amid the pandemic points to a promising near and longer term future. Now let's turn to the focus of these awards, Asia, and we can see that it boasts a rapidly emerging fintech sector with just over 6,100 fintech startups in the wider Asia Pacific region. Now, investors did shy away from the Asia Pacific region in the second half in 2020, and that was due to COVID-19, with fintech investment plummeting to $11.6 billion, the lowest level seen since 2014. This fall in investment did mask a number of positives, however, including corporate-affiliated investment, whose fall was much less severe to $7 billion year over year. Again, that's because of efforts in reaction to COVID-19. Now, payments in particular enjoyed the fruits of this digital transformation boom, with fintechs in Australia, South Korea, and India securing hundreds of millions in investment. Australia is also doing great things in buy now, pay later services, as well as cryptocurrencies and blockchain. In China, banks are building technology and providers to serve underbanked SMEs, a trend that's replicated elsewhere in the region. And India is also emerging as a major fintech player, with payments, Insurtech and WEALTHTECH attracting significant interest as the country develops digital services for both consumers and businesses. Now, many of Asia's strong fintech subsectors are represented superbly by the fintechs we've shortlisted this evening, which were put forward by the independent judging panel as finalists from hundreds of entries received right up to the entry deadline in February, so thank you for those. But the finalists that we're celebrating this evening really represent the most innovative of their subsectors, from the payments and Insurtech categories to banking tech and Regtech. Each and every finalist is worth considering, exploring and meeting, because they pitted their offerings against their competitors and won the admiration of leading fintech and financial experts. The finalists at the Asia FinTech Awards show that some highly innovative and valuable technology is backed by an ecosystem of companies and providers at the top of their game, ready to serve a population of businesses and consumers in need of digital solutions to everyday problems, particularly as we emerge from the pandemic. Well, let's get started now with the awards, and the first award for the evening is Banking Tech of the Year. The products and services of these finalists go far and wide in banking, proving that it's one financial service that's ripe for innovation. The finalists for this award this year are Advance.ai, Hysun FinTech Global, and PayKey. The winner of Banking Tech of the Year provides the core banking system that is the essential backbone for building a digital bank. This fintech has also launched and established itself in a short period of time, so all credit to the team behind it. And the winner of Banking Tech of the Year is Hysun FinTech Global. A really big congratulations to our first award winner. On to our second award of the night, and it is Data Initiative of the Year. Now, data, of course, is no longer in short supply. Its sheer abundance means fintech companies need to actively engage with data for the benefit of their customers and their bottom lines. The finalists for this award have excelled in these respects. They are Advantage Data, Kicker, Ping and OneConnect Bank, Validus. Now, this virtual banking partner to local SMEs, a vital and underserved group, is overcoming the traditional barriers in SME banking and lending by putting alternative data to work and using an alternative scoring model. This fintech deserves to be recognised for alleviating financial problems and promoting financial inclusion. The winner is Ping and OneConnect Bank. A really big well done to everyone there for your innovation and all your hard work. Next up this evening is Insurtech of the Year. Insurtech is among the best examples of the progress that can be made when technology is used to challenge the status quo. The finalists of this award are rapidly changing the way insurance is bought, sold, and delivered. They are ACO General Insurance, Coherent, Contemi Solutions, and CoverFox. Now, the winner of this award tonight, this Insurtech, stood out from the other finalists for working to replace traditional insurance in its home market with a digital-only offering. It champions convenience, promotes optimization, and is identifying and addressing many unmet needs. It is with huge pleasure that I can say that the winner is ACO General Insurance. Amazing work, ACO General Insurance. Congratulations. So many brilliant finalists and winners so far this evening. Now let's move on to our next award, which is the Investment Tech of the Year Award. Innovations within investment technology are boosting access and bringing simplicity. The finalists for Investment Tech of the Year are Bamboo, Bibit, Byte Investments, Endowus, and Hatcher Plus. The winner of Investment Tech of the Year is a truly global platform that automates operations, creates multi-level deal origination partnerships, and provides access to thousands of deals annually. It's having a real impact on venture investments and is set to grow throughout the rest of this year. The winner is Hatcher Plus. Huge well done and congratulations and good luck for everything else you're doing this year. The emergence of LENDTECH has resulted in a reduction in complexity, a better understanding of risk, and the creation of new avenues for capital and investment. So the finalists for this year's award are Happy, Lendo EFL, Nolito Systems, Ping and One Connect Bank, and Yabex. The winner of LENDTECH of the Year stood out in this category for serving local SMEs across a diverse range of jurisdictions, which is also a promising sign for the future as it looks to expand. Its approach to lending is also trend-setting and innovative. The winner for LENDTECH is Ping and One Connect Bank. Give it up for Ping and One Connect Bank. Congratulations to you all. There's never been a year when the digital world has been more important. And next up, we have an award that's all about that, the Online Initiative of the Year. It's no longer sufficient to simply have an app or a web presence. FinTech companies need to actively engage with customers while adapting their online propositions to meet changing consumer demands. The finalists for this award have excelled in this respect. They are FWD Group and Edemia. This prominent fintech has developed a new content management platform to reimagine how it engages with its customers, goes to market, and develops fresh experiences. The result was, among others, an increase in lead generation and conversion, making it a worthy winner of this award. And the winner is FWD Group. Congratulations, FWD Group, for all your work this year. On to our next award of the evening, Payments Tech of the Year. Now, this area of fintech has seen significant innovation, disruption, and behavioural change, all in a very short period of time. The finalists for this award are among its leaders. They are ACI Worldwide, Airwallex, Atom, Cash-Free, Global Processing Services, or GPS. The winner of Payments Tech of the Year is making great strides in Asia, launching the first instant virtual Visa cards in the region, creating a robust financial network of banking partners, and developing a wealth of local expertise among many other achievements. This is a very worthy winner. I'm excited to announce this year's winner is Airwallex. A huge well done to Airwallex. It's been such a great evening so far. We really hope that you're enjoying it too. Some really exciting awards still to come though, including the next one, which is Regtech of the Year. Now, financial services are all the safer for the influx of regulation following the financial crisis, but it's Regtech that's enabling organisations to navigate the complex regulatory landscape while protecting consumers. The finalists for this award are Bebo, Click, Elliptic, Feedzai, Know Your Customer, and Money Match. Now, this Regtech is cornering the market in using AI to fight financial crime. It's grown rapidly since 2011, secured the confidence of its investors, and today counts many of the world's largest financial institutions as clients. It's also spearheading strategic initiatives to ensure responsible AI and innovating at a rapid rate. So much going on there. I'm really happy to say that the winner is Feedzai. What a great achievement for Feedzai. Congratulations. On to our next award of the evening and our next group of finalists who are competing for WEALTHTECH of the Year. The WEALTHTECH scene is undergoing rapid change, with banks and investors alike gaining access to new and exciting tools, as the finalists for this award demonstrate. Our finalists this year are Contemi Solutions, Endowus, RealVantage, Trade Socio, and Wealth Dynamics. Now, the winner of WEALTHTECH of the Year has developed a wealth platform that is entirely digital and independent. Its potential can be seen in its strong growth over the past year and its novel approach to fees. Now, this fintech is both risk-conscious and innovative, a winning combination. I'm pleased to announce the winner is Endowus. A huge well done to Endowus. Congratulations from us all. Now, this year has been all about innovation in a way like no other, and we're going to our next award, which really looks at that, our Startup of the Year. As diverse as the fintech sector is, it's also fiercely competitive, and these finalists have established a foothold in their respective verticals and have a really bright future ahead. They are Aspire, Click, Propine, Regtech, XPay Life. Now, the winner of this award tonight is a business banking startup which launched in 2018 and is expanding fast, with its focus on internet businesses that need access to services that might not be easily available to most new ventures. The winner has struck some great partnerships, raised funding, and is quickly becoming a name in 4 key markets. The winner is Aspire. Congratulations to Aspire for everything that you've been achieving. Well done. Our next award this evening is all about leadership. It is Director of the Year. Now, this award recognises the vital importance of good leadership and pays tribute to the hard work required to make a success of a fintech business. The finalists for Director of the Year 2021 are Andrea Baroncelli, Aspire, Greg Krasnov, Tonic, Kelvin Teo, Funding Societies, Modalku, Naveed Weldon, FlexM. Now, the winner of Director of the Year is a regional thought leader who runs Southeast Asia's first neobank and is close to bringing it to market. This director is also a fintech venture builder, lending their expertise and experience to the creation of some of Asia's most exciting fintechs. Widely respected and praised, this person is a worthy winner of Director of the Year. The winner for Director of the Year is Greg Krasnov, Tonic. Amazing work, Greg. Clearly you are making such a difference in what you're doing. It's time now for our next award, which is the Innovator of the Year Award, a really worthy title, and we have some incredible finalists. Now, fintech's most impressive innovators make up the shortlist for this award. Collectively, they have made significant strides in the development of fintech. They are René Robert, Advantage Data, Ariane Adeli-Kude, Revo Trading, Mark Westgate, Synchron, and Vikas Nahatha, Validus. Now, this innovator launched their fintech company to drive financial inclusion for many unbanked SMEs across Southeast Asia, a huge issue in the region. The result is an impressive fintech offering that is trying to make a real difference. The winner is also a proven leader who is unafraid making mistakes and dedicates a lot of their time to local issues outside of fintech. We're really delighted to say that the winner this year is Vikas Nahatha of Validus. A brilliant achievement, Vikas. Huge congratulations from us all. Now, our next award this evening is all about recognising new and rising talent. In fact, it is the Rising Star of the Year award. Rising through the ranks of the fintech sector is no mean feat, and the finalists for this award are a real credit to their employers. The finalists for this award are Ariane Adeli Kude, Revo Trading; Amajit Tiwari, Care Risk Solutions; Alan Lee Ka-ho, Alphabet Consulting. The winner of Rising Star of the Year has had a major impact on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology in Asia, helping them to move toward the mainstream while contributing to their development with the launch of products and services, raising standards, and fostering a sense of community within the region. The winner is Alan Lee Ka-ho of Alphabet Consulting. Wonderful work there. Congratulations to you. We so hope that you have been enjoying the evening and celebrating in all the incredible things that are going on in this sector. But now it is time for the final award of the night, the one we've all been waiting for this evening. It is FinTech of the Year. Now, fintech is a rich well of innovation and progress, covering a wide and diverse range of products and services. And the finalists for this award stood out as the finest. They are 2C2P, Airwallex, LENDTECH, Endowus, FlexM, Funding Societies Medalku, OFO, and Propine.
The winner of the FinTech of this year is a huge FinTech success story. It's only FinTech unicorn in its home market, and it's a digital payment, rewards, and the financial service platform. It's now present on more than 100 million devices across hundreds of cities. A fantastic achievement since the launch in 2017, and is a testament to the mission of the boosting financial inclusion. The 2021 FinTech of the Year is OVO.
Well done to our final award winner, OFO. What a great way to end the night. That concludes the Asia FinTech Awards for 2021. Congratulations to all of the winners and to everyone that was shortlisted. Your accolades are so well deserved. We'd really like to thank our sponsors for supporting the industry and these awards during what has been the most challenging and heartfelt times. We also extend a special thanks to Helen Lee and the judging panel for all their hard work in choosing the shortlist and winners. And the number of entries this year was really outstanding. It's been a real pleasure hosting this year's awards, and let's make this year a huge success so we can all celebrate together in person, in real life in 2022. Good night.